you probably have to change these Excel settings. For example, in the data set that we have right here, I'll come over and calculate the net income. I'll say equals revenue minus expenses. When I hit enter key on the keyboard, immediately you can see that I move down to the next cell that is empty. Sometimes this is a setting that I don't want. Maybe I want to stay in the same cell so that I can quickly use my fill handle to drag this formula down. I'll now Control Z on the keyboard and let us see how we can change this particular default settings. You will click on the File menu, navigate over to Options. This will open the Excel Options dialog box, and what you need to do is to click on the Advanced tab, and you can see the first option here that says after pressing Enter, move the selection to. You can actually change this one to move down, to move right. You can also move up, but this will be kind of weird. You can also move to the left. And also what we are interested in is deactivating this default setting by removing the check mark so that we can actually remain in the cell where we are typing the formula to quickly use our fill handle to drag our formula down. So I'll come over here and say OK, and there you go. Now let us come back here and start typing in our formula again. I'll say equals revenue minus expenses. Hit enter key on the keyboard. You can see that I remain active in the cell where I typed the formula. I can quickly now use my fill handle to drag this formula down. And keep in mind that this is a setting that you can reverse depending on your liking.